Come test drive the 2019 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: bed liner, power mirrors, traction control system, wheel covers, backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power steering, cloth upholstery. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.